going to move on to our next question, which is from Katlego, who currently owns a Renault Kwid with 78,000 Ks on it.
Made it, eh? Made it.
He made it that far.
Pushed it.
He's unsure about the engine's longevity. He's considering trading it in for a Mini Cooper.
Yeah, it's going from bad to worse, eh?
He's got a budget of 250,000 Rand. Is this a good decision, or are there better alternatives within his budget that he should consider? Mumbo?
250,000 is a very healthy budget. That's what I would say. But considering a Mini Cooper when you have something as small as a Renault Kwid already, I don't think that's a good and wise decision. He can actually get himself maybe a Starlet, which is a 2024 model, for that price.
He wants something cool, obviously, Gift.
Cool. I'll stick to the alternative from the Starlet, the Baleno. If you find one with less than 20,000 Ks, 2023, 2024 model, it will comes packed with features, heads-up display, Apple CarPlay, and all of that. Clearly, he loves small cars. If he wants to move from a Kwid to a Mini.
Kwid to a Mini Cooper.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. So I think either the Swift or the Baleno, but I'll vote for the Baleno. I mean, 250K is a handsome
You could
budget.
buy a brand new Swift.
Yeah, could buy a brand new Swift for 250K, yeah.
The Mini's a cool car. It's funky, it looks nice, it's got a great image to it, but damn expensive to maintain. And, you know, if you don't, for 250,000 Rand, you're not buying, you know, one that's like a year old. You're buying something that's a couple of years old, out of warranty, when it's starting to break. So you're going to have problems with it. Mumbo, do you agree with it?
Yeah, definitely. The Mini Cooper he would get for this price is probably 2015 going upwards.
Yeah, like an R56 model.
Not something.
It's already heading down that road, we all know.
And it's a
too
cool
well.
car, like you
favorite
said.
road.
Yeah, they are cool cars. I love driving Minis, but I wouldn't want to own one because of the expense of maintenance. And I own a workshop.
But I just want to say, if he's going from a Renault Kwid, anything is better than that.
Yeah, look,
He's moving from a Renault Kwid.
He's got a lot of options.
He's got loads of options. And, you know, for 250K, like you guys mentioned, Suzuki Swift is my first option.
Yeah.
Suzuki Swift is my first. And he'll get a newer one.
You'll get the brand new
He'll probably get a brand new one.
The
I think the
latest
newer one,
spec.
brand new one's about 280
Hey?
now. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's the top of the range
Yeah.
version. But for 250, you're going to get the brand new spec version.
New spec Suzuki Swift, yeah.
And-
comes with a maintenance
And that looks
service
cool.
plan.
Yeah.
And that's a cool looking car.
Yeah, and Baleno starts at 260 plus, so you just probably need to spend 16K to 17K more.
Yes,
for a brand
and
new
you get a
Baleno.
bigger car. Yes.
And you get a bigger car. You
Yeah.
get more car for,
If you want something bigger, if you want something smaller,
yeah.
you know, the Swift is,
Swift,
is a great option. I think go and have a look at those. Stay away from the Mini. The Renault Kwid, you've done 78,000 Ks and you'll get reasonable money for it because it's not a high mileage unit. It's a fairly low mileage unit. And driving a Suzuki Swift will be a massive improvement on that Renault
I
Kwid.
think there's no words to describe how big an improvement it'll be.
Yeah.
Massive just doesn't put it there. Anyway, stay tuned because after the break, we help a frequent commuter find a reliable and economical vehicle with off-road capabilities.
We help a 20-year-old Forex trader considering purchasing a BMW M2 as his first car.